So guys, today I'm going to be fixing this race mower and what is wrong with it. So let's get right into it. So starting off is my engine mounts are kind of loose, so I either need to put a washer in these or not have welded on them on, because my engine moves back and forth on them. And then another thing that is happening when I'm driving it is my chain tensioner, or my chain keeps falling off. So I need to make a lot better chain tensioner for it, which I think I have an extra sprocket, a 40 chain sprocket that I might just put there and fix it. And then another major thing is my gas tank almost fell off while I was riding it. Yeah, not good. So I need to remount that thing somewhere, and now both of my fenders came loose again. My battery is in a janky mount again, so I probably need to fix that still. And the throttle is really janky. The cable keeps falling off of the pedal and not working properly, so that is pretty much all that I need to fix for today. And I will also move this clutch pedal so that it engages when I push down this clutch instead of that clutch. So let's get right into it. So let's start on our engine mount. So I'm actually going to take the whole engine out of this thing, and I'm going to fix the mounts, weld my plate in there better, and then fix the engine mounts down there and put bolts through them so that I don't have to deal with them anymore. So stay tuned. I'll put you guys on a time lapse. So thank you for watching. So guys, I know that was probably a lot of time-lapse time that you guys just watched. I removed the engine, put it back, made tons stronger mounts. Now my chain is super tight. Engine's fixed. Now it's able to move back and forth to tighten and loosen the chain. Now I grinded off some spots, made spots a lot stronger. So now the engine can withstand stuff, and I made the real clutch end to the clutch pedal that is meant to go on this engine. So here's an overview real quick. So I grinded off these two parts for my starter switch and key, which I still need to mount. I've been driving it without them mounted. And then I made this really strong engine mount here, and now it has a bolt through it instead of just welded on there. Super strong. Engine's not going to go anywhere. Now it's bolted to the frame underneath. Super strong. I need to make a wider gas pedal just a little bit, but otherwise this thing's great now. My chain is super tight, which is great because now I have a way to adjust the engine. I just got my shifter linkage back in, and it feels like it actually shifts a little better now. And I also tightened up the steering, so there's like literally no play in the steering, like whatsoever. Like it's, you turn it and it turns now, so it's really strong now. I found the loose part is in the nut, so now what you'll see in the next time lapse coming up for a little bit is I'm gonna mount this gas tank to right here, and then I'm gonna put my cup holder back in, and I'm gonna fix these fenders, and I'm also gonna change my fuel pump, make a hole for the engine oil drain plug since it is resting on it before, and fix my gas pedal, and make a mount for this and my key. So I hope you have been enjoying it so far. So enjoy the enjoy the rest of the time lapse, and I will be building the exhaust for this during the time lapse. So enjoy the rest of it. Thank you. So guys, I hope you have been enjoying it so far. Here's just a quick update on what I've done. I lost some of my time-lapse footage, and I still have a few more things left to do, like brakes, but that is pretty much all, so here's an update of it. Alright, so starting off is now my engine is secured and complete with a brand new engine mount. Super strong, thick metal, held by a screw now. It's super strong, and then it's bolted up from the bottom. It's a dirt bike engine, super weird. But then I welded an exhaust, fabricated one. I wish I could have had it on camera, but I lost the footage of it. But sounds really good. And then I also hooked up my clutch and tidied up on my wiring. And now my key goes here and it starts right up. Some of the times. It has no fuel right now, so I might be able to just kick it, but I mounted this here, my keys here. It's really nice, so. This thing runs super good now. It sounds really good with the new exhaust in there. Stuff rattles around though because my fenders are still loose. I still need to fix those. But those right here, I just need to do that and I'll fix those. My chain is super tight now. And that roller just works just fine now. So the clutch is really nice. The exhaust sounds super good. So can't wait to finally do a test drive in this thing. Still just have a few more things left. I'll get the brakes on it tomorrow in the morning and get my cup holder back on and paint this black. And I'll clean it back up, and I'm hoping to build a different style of carburetor and make a mount for that cable. Clean this all up, put the black rubber mats that were back down here, and I'm hoping to buy a seat cover for this in the future. Don't have money for it right now. The voice crack. I don't have money for it right now, but I will later, so just stay tuned for that. But this thing rips, rides so easy, so thanks for watching through at this point, and I guess here's some more footage of the time lapse of me finishing up the brakes. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed it so far. I did not include the brakes in this video. That'll be in a separate video. Probably at the end of this video, I'll recommend it. And then, so just here it is. So I guess I'll start it up for you guys. Got all the wiring done. Mounted my gas tank back here on the seat now. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we will test it out. So I hope it works good. So here's a startup for you guys. And then and I turned that clutch into that pedal, and it works great now, so I probably need to do full choke. Oh yeah, my choke is sticking just a bit. So it is super rattly still. I don't know what that is. I'm pretty sure it's the fenders and stuff. I'm pretty sure it's right here. I haven't welded them up yet, but hope you enjoyed it so far. Thanks for watching this far into the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, this thing's super nice. So it's cold start. So can't wait to get more clips of me driving it. I'll get a new hood for it soon, and I will be getting a new tractor too. I'm keeping this off-road one. I just need a steering setup done with it. That's my off-road one, the suspension on the front. But otherwise, I'm having another one that I'm going to probably turn into another off-road one. This will probably be my only racing one. But it's great, perfect. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for more.